Welcome to Paloma Motorbike Tours, Hanoi's #1 motorbike tour company. At Paloma Motorbike Tours, you will explore, experience and enjoy Hanoi like a local. In Vietnamese culture, the motorbike is the primary mode of transport for the majority of Vietnamese families. Our Paloma female tour guides have been carefully hand-picked for their driving ability, knowledge of local traffic, and their English speaking ability. Your safety is our #1 priority, and Paloma Motorbike Tours ensures that you will safely be escorted around the city to see the sights of Hanoi. A Paloma personalised private tour is the best way to see Hanoi. You tell us what you want to see and do, and we will take you there. This is a fully flexible service offered to Paloma guests who want to explore, experience and enjoy Hanoi like a local, but with full flexibility. With a Paloma personalised private tour, you will have an experience in Hanoi that will leave you with fond memories for years to come. Would you like to try something that you would not think you could eat in your wildest dreams? Hanoians are famous for eating every part of the vegetable or animal they use. By day or by night, from five-star restaurant to street stall and everything in between, let your gastronomic imagination run wild and experience all that Hanoi has to offer with a Paloma personalised private tour. To book a Paloma personalised private tour, we need to find out what you want to do. Please go to our website at www.palomamotorbiketours.com and take a few minutes to fill out the questionnaire on the booking form.